To calibrate the pens, press Menu, then select Pen Touch and Auto Calibration. Make sure the image area is clear of any objects or obstructions, then select Yes to begin. The calibration process takes about 15 seconds. When the patterned images disappear, the process is complete. To set up the touch unit, press Menu, then select Pen Touch, Touch Unit, Touch Unit Setup, and installing Touch Unit without the bracket. Place the included calibration markers on the board. Then select Yes to begin calibration. When calibration has finished, remove the markers. Then test the touch function by touching each of the yellow circles. Larger gray circles will appear around the yellow circles. When you're done, select Close using the remote control. Place the markers in a safe place for future use.